Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO C65. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, just pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. Sorry, misclick. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times to access your files. After selecting all of them, you can finally hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on POCO device. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, click on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!